Start by opening Adobe InDesign and creating a new document. Set your page size to match your printing needs. Next, ensure you enable facing pages in the document settings. This helps in laying out your double-sided design. Design your pages, keeping front and back content in mind. Use grids and guidelines for better alignment. After completing your design, save your document. Choose a format that supports high-quality printing. Now, go to File and select Print. In the Print dialog, choose your printer settings. Lastly, under Print Settings, select Print on both sides. Ensure everything is set before clicking Print. Double-check your printer's paper loaded to avoid jams. Make sure it's properly aligned. Once ready, hit Print and watch your project come to life. Collect and review your double-sided document. If needed, do a test print first. This ensures everything looks right before the final run. And that's it. You're now ready to impress with your double-sided printed materials. Remember, practice makes perfect. Play around with design and print settings for best results. Thanks for watching. Share your experience and tips in the comments below.